Alright, so this is probably going to be the last update, and then next thing you'll see will be hopefully the engine in the car running. Never mind the bed head. It's early morning, closer to noon. But anyways, just wanted to do an update. So I have the valve cover on. I've got the oil pan on. Basically ready to go. I've got the motor and transmission pulled out of the car, and so I just have to transfer over the intake, exhaust, the oil. I have some new rubber hoses for the coolant lines, and transfer the crank, all the accessories basically to this engine, and then have it ready to go back into the car. So yeah, um, I'm hoping this is the last update before. I mean, this is the last update, and then next thing we'll see will be the car running. So yeah, that's it for now. See you guys later. Bye.